Hello everyone and welcome to PlusEqual. We have been torn apart for so long. We really miss you guys a lot. All the positive community that we have created here in the channel means a lot to us, and hopefully it impacts you in a good way as well. We are really proud of all the positive vibes that we could get from people in the comment section. People love to learn stuff, and that was the main reason for us to create PlusEqual as a channel with free content for game development. And now we are back. First of all, let me congratulate everyone that is subscribed to the channel. We are more than 1000 people now, almost 1200 people, and we just surpassed 5000 views here on the channel as well. We are talking about 500,000 views, which is pretty damn insane. Well, not making this video longer than it needs to be, as everyone else, we will try to conciliate work, study, life balance, and we will try to deliver to you videos every week. Our tutorials will be based mostly in Unity and Unreal, but we have some surprise plan, like going to other engines and even specific softwares. So stay tuned for that. I really appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much. Sign PlusEqual.